Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to place on record my sincere thanks to the Honorable Chief Minister for making effort to give extensive reply and response to our submission. But having said this, in the reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, I could see he was trying to compare and rather responding to the points that we have submitted. He was trying to speak in the air without basing on the facts and figures. I doubt. So randomly, I just selected 2 points. In his DISA meeting, he has found National Old Age Pension Scheme till 2 years also people were not getting, because he is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is the Chief Minister. He is not in the opposition. So it should be his every word that he uttered should be based on facts and figures, sir. Just clarification. It is just clarification. I have the right to seek any clarification. Even the caste certificate, to issue caste certificate, it took 1 year. In which bill it took 1 year? I would like to get categorical reply by the Honorable Chief Minister, because it is the habitual of this Honorable Chief Minister to point out like this, comparing without basing, not basing on the facts and figures. And Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to refer to the submission made by the Honorable Member from Fulbari.
Sir, under Rule 300, sir, I'd like to raise a point of order.
Give my submission, sir.
Okay.
Mr. S.G. Esmatur Mominin, in his submission, was referring to the incident due to ambush in 2005. It is a closed chapter. Judicial inquiry was done and completed. But if I speak the truth, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir,
why are you scared of the 13th September incident?
I am just talking. Let me talk about. I am not scared. That is why I am speaking. If I would have been scared, I would just keep quiet. I would just keep quiet.
Why are you scared?
If I am scared,
Why are you scared?
this is high time that I will.
Why can't we discuss?
Acquisition.
Why can't we discuss?
Let me submit, sir. Let me submit. It is not the place to play politics. Chief Minister himself has said that to keep politics aside. It is because of malicious and
Please. Yes.
political conspiracy made by certain politicians.
We're lost. Why you are scared of discussing this?
I am not scared.
You are scared.
If I would have been scared, I would keep quiet, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Yeah, you could carry on. But
People are watching.
Please be calm.
If you don't have the correction to speak, don't speak.
Please be calm.
Is it the procedure,
Please
sir?
be calm now. Don't repeat. Please go on.
After my submission, let them speak also.
Yeah.
Point of order under Rule 300, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Yeah, that's what I said.
In any motion or any discussion, members who have participated in the discussion only can participate further to seek any clarification. I did not see the honorable member from Williamnagar participating in this particular short duration discussion. I don't know whether he participated. He can also seek clarification. No. Deputy Speaker, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would request
Denying
you
the
to
honorable member,
allow me
Please
to,
listen to me, sir. Yeah.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. I think.
It's better we close it. There's no need to move further, sir. We have got a whole business of the government to work, so the supplementary demands need to be passed. Sir, I would urge, all that has happened, let us just leave that. Let us move forward. We are all responsible members. I don't think we need to continue with this. So this is a short duration. I urge you, sir, to use your wisdom to continue with the other members.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I think there is no space for us to demonstrate our emotions in this circumstance. It is not
Yeah,
necessary.
that's why I have
So
already.
whenever any concern is to be flagged, let every honorable member of the August House take recourse to the available space provided by the rules of procedure and conduct of business and do so. That is my submission.
Point.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think this is the first time ever inside the House where the short duration discussion is more than 2.5 hours. Sir, as per the rules, I think right from the very beginning, we refer to the rules, maximum 2.5 hours, and now it's more than 2.5 hours. So therefore, sir, I think let us close this business, and then we can take up another business of the day, sir.